Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a losing trade. I lost my first trade. My second trade was break even. Although my second trade did go to TP2, I was looking for a little bit more for the trade to play out. It ended up playing out later in the day, getting to my take profit level, but that was after the move had already went back up. Took me out, went up a little higher, and then came back down. But with that being said, let's go to the chart so that I can actually show you guys what I'm talking about. So right here, I got in for my trade for the short right at the 600 level with a 50-point stop. And I was looking for a TP3. I was looking to take out right at this blue line. This is where I've noticed that price likes to gravitate towards 2, which it did to the pip later on in the day. Actually, it went to 409. It did. Okay, so I had my TP right here. It was like a 1 to 3.8 move. That's a TP. That's a 410. I need to go down just one more point right there. A 3.82. So that was my trade idea that I was looking for, and it didn't play out. Even if I were to have gone in right at the previous day low, a little higher, and held my 50-point stop, it would have survived it. But when it goes to TP2, TP1 like that, and my rules say to move my stop loss to break even. So it did end up playing out. And let's say someone waited for that London high to get ran to then get in on the shorts. Right here, this would have been a perfect play for a 1 to 4 essentially. Someone could have taken out at 1 to 4 right there. And then there was this buy off this level that could have, could have taken it out and then targeted the Asian session high. $50-point stop. Now this is a 1 to 5.2. It could have been an easy 1 to 5. Where's 1 to 5? Right there. So this could have been and this is a 15-minute candle, so 30 minutes, hour and a half. About 2-hour trade I hear, but the trade didn't start until 2:15 in the evening, and then it went until the end of the day, essentially. So really choppy day today, guys. It kept going back and forth, back and forth. I actually got a really good entry here for my second trade. My first trade, I was looking to go long right at the London low, and it just fell, right? That was runs. So I said, well, let me see about it falling and then doing a pullback. So I did this Fibonacci to this level right here, and I said, well, if it gets in for this move right here, I'll wait for it to get back to the 30%, it lines up with the previous day low, and I'll get in for the short. And I did, and I got in right at 9:45, 50-point stop. And it did go a little lower than TP2. I could have easily had it close to TP 2.5, which I should have taken off the table right there, or somewhere along in these lines right here, right here. Anywhere in there would have been nice, but I didn't. I was looking to come down here, and it didn't get there until later on in the day after it came back up, took these London low, previous day low, and then had the move down. Even if I were to have gone in at the 600 level a little later on in the day around 1, that would have been a nice move right here. So just I wanted to show you guys, it wasn't a bad trade idea today, guys. It's just the market was whiplashy, and that's what happens. I got in as price started falling. This is what I have to realize is if price is starting to fall hard during the New York Open, I need to not place a trade thinking it's going to go up. Let it trade out and then wait for a pullback of some sorts to then get in on that trade. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. It's 5 minutes in, And I hope you guys managed risk well today. If you took any trades, I hope you guys didn't blow your account. I hope you didn't take 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. If you took 2 trades, I hope the max loss that you did was a little under 2%. If you're risking 250, I hope your risk was a little under 500. I hope you're tightening up those risk parameters a little bit so you're not losing too much. I lost 250, took 2 trades, one was break even. Missed out on a TP2 trade, but it's the week's still early. We still got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's go back to this one. The week is still early, and let's be very disciplined going into Wednesday and Thursday. May not even take a trade on Friday, but let's just try to be either break even or in profit by the end of the week, and that'll set us up for a very strong next week. Got to think forward thinking when you're in this game right here, long-term vision. So with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. Have a great day, and I look forward to actually let's do this. I'm gonna do the trade. I'm gonna journal my trade. So 6 minutes. I'm gonna try to be done in 7 minutes. So I already know what I'm gonna say. Paste. I lost my first trade idea for a long at the London low. I waited for the bearish momentum to die, then got in for the bearish push at the 44,600 level, 38% fib retracement, and previous day low. I got to TP2, but price came back up. Price went to my original take profit level later in the day. So the trade idea or the levels where price could go was still good. Okay guys, now I am done. I'm just going to show you guys real quick that I journaled this real quick. I ended up doing this, so I want to just hit save and let you guys go. 8.5 minutes, one of my shorter videos. Have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.